Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Epic Games Launcher login error that you are experiencing on your Windows computer. The error message typically reads there was an error processing the credential from the external login system. Please contact support. First thing I recommend doing would be go ahead and restart your PC. Sometimes simply restart can fix the issue guys. After restarting your PC, then attempt to sign back into the Epic Game Launcher and see if that resolves the problem. If you still having issue, then you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to check if these systems are operational. If you are noting any issues, you may want to wait a little while until the system become operational. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.